Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist. Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist helps avoid collisions with a rear side vehicle when changing lanes. When operating the turn signal switch to change lanes, if there is a risk of collision with a rear side vehicle, the system provides a warning. After the warning, if the risk of collision increases, the system automatically controls the vehicle to help avoid a collision. If exiting a parallel parking spot and there is a risk of collision with a rear side vehicle, the system automatically assists with emergency braking. The driver is able to choose whether to use the functions through the detailed settings under Driver Assistance, Blind Spot Safety in the vehicle settings.